Ayan mga guys, October 30 ng 7 PM. Ito, binuksan na yung pailaw dito sa bayan ng Bugalyon. Ito na mga guys. So, banda ron mga guys, marami nang naghihintay ng pagbukas sa pailaw. So, marami doon banda. Maraming mga tao doon mga guys, no? So, siksikan doon mga guys, tara. Tingnan natin.
On behalf of the Bugalyon Local Government Units, I'd like to welcome you everyone to our Christmas tree lighting ceremony. At this juncture, the moment we've been waiting for the lighting of our special Christmas tree. You know, here at Christmas, we embodies the true spirit of public service. A service that is efficient, effective, and truly makes a difference in our people's lives. Tonight, we are celebrating